Welcome to J&J's test video of S2MA333, an O2 Miata, about 130 some thousand miles on it, 5-speed with a 430 rear end, hit there in the front, runs good, has a good top, window regulator, stuff like that. I'll give you a little start, let it run for a second. 130,349. Oh man, that thing's tight. Can I do it? Oh, we're gonna leave that on. Transmission engages. I don't want to drive it around because it has no coolant. I'm going to leave this motor and transmission together. Second gear, third gear. Alright, that's it. S2MA333. As always, thank you for watching.